Hello everyone. Now let's see in Notepad how to create log file with automatic date and time and how to add header and footer. Now first let's see how to create log file with automatic date and time. Open new file and in the first line enter .log and press enter. Now save the file. So let me save this file. Let me give some name to this file. So my daily task. So I'm giving the file name as my daily task and click on save and then close the file. My file is saved on the desktop. Let me open the file and now you can see the date and time have been inserted here automatically. So now in the new line you can enter your activities over here. So you can enter whatever you want here. Let me copy this into a few lines and I'll save this file back again. So let me save this file and close the file. Now let me reopen this file and we can see that new date and time is being inserted in this file again. So again, you can enter your new activities over here below the date, and likewise you can continue. The new date and time will be getting inserted over here. And then let's move to the next one. Now let's see how to add header and footer. Go to File and click on Page Setup. Now here we have header and footer, and below we have command and action. If we want, we can use those commands in this header and footer. So let me use command L and let me print the file name in the header and then the date followed by date, and in the footer let me print the page with page number and now let me click OK. And now these are some commands that you can use in header and footer. So after doing this, click OK. Now this will not appear in this file here. You need to print the file. So what I'll do is I'll go to print and I will Microsoft print to PDF. So let me print to PDF. Let me save this file with some name and save to desktop. So once after it gets saved, let me open that PDF and we can see that whatever we had given in the header and footer that is appeared here. This is my header, my file name and the date. So this is what we gave it in the header. Let's see in the notepad. So this is what we gave in the header and that appears here, and in the footer we can see the page and the page number. Let me scroll down. Thank you.